Good morning, kids. How are you? I hope you all are super fine and doing well at your home. I hope you must have completed your assignment and sent it to me. Today we are start our new chapter according to your book, chapter 2. We fighting fit. Chapter 2, Be Fighting Fit, Unit First, Family. You can see in this picture, discuss these pictures. You can see in this picture the boy is passing through garbage and says that, "What's that smell? What's that smell?" You can see the boy hand over You can see the boy hand over the nose and pointing his hand to the dirty place. How would it have smelled? Sometimes you also hand over the nose and say that, how what a dirty smell, what a messy smell. So how would it you have smelled? That is messy, that is dirty. How? Yes, with the help of your nose. You smell anything with the help of your nose. Yes, so you can smell anything with the help of your nose. Come in next picture. This boy says, "Do you hear that noise? Do you hear that noise?" So, how can we hear noise? Noise can be soft or loud. So, how can you hear the noise? Yes, very good. With the help of ear, we can hear any voice with the help of ear. Come in next picture. Taste this. He is saying, taste this. So, how do we taste anything? Sometimes you says, this is very sweet, this is very bitter, this is very yummy. So how you can taste, and how why you saying that this is yummy, this is sweet, this is bitter? How do we taste? We taste by tongue. We taste with the help of our tongue. Very good. Come in next picture. Look at me. He is saying that, look at me. Sometimes you see the picture of anything and says that, wow, it is very beautiful. See, it's so nice. See, it's pretty girl. So how do you see anything? You see anything with the help of your eyes. With the help of your eyes. It's clear to all of you? Good. Come in next picture. Feel this. Isn't it soft? So sometimes you touch the surface and say how hard it is, how soft it is. You touch the stone and say that how hard it is, because you cannot break the stone. That's why you say that how hard it is. And when you touch the surface of cotton, you say that how soft it is. So how you feel that is soft or hard? With the help of your skin. With the help of your skin. Sometimes you say that very hot, summer days are very hot. Nowadays you when you come out with in afternoon, how do you feel? You feel very hot. So how you feel hot? You feel hot or cold with the help of your skin. Let's start reading. Your mother tells you to sit at a distance from the television. Your mother tells you to sit at a distance from the television. So why your mother tell you to sit a distance from the television? Don't close it, because television has a bad effect on your eyes. That's why your mother tells make a distance from the television. Your father tells you to block your ears near the airport. Why? Because the making a loud sound can have bad effect in your ears, on your ears. That's why your father tells you block your ears when a loud sound when a loud sound. I'll just tell you to do this in order to protect your sense organ. So now you understand, these are sense organs of our body and we protect all of them. Come in next topic, sense organs. Humans have five sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. We enjoy the five senses of seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching with the help of our sense organs. Now you can understand how your sense organs are working, and how we smell, how we hear, how we see, how we taste, and how we touch, how we feel by sense organ, with the help of the sense organs. So you can see your sense organs are very useful, and in every day, so every moment you have the use of your sense organs. If you don't care of them, they are affected and not working well. So protect your sense organs carefully and enjoy your life. Next topic, special people. When our sense organs function well, we are fighting fit, we are able to live a healthy life, we can play, study, eat, and work with easy. Some people do not have one or more abilities. They cannot walk, or see, or hear, etc. Such people are called differently abled or special people. So, when your organs are doing well, function well, it means, so how your function doing well, when you protect your sense organs, that then your sense organs function well, and you can able to healthy life, you can do you can live problemless life. So protect your sense organs. Sometimes you can see some peoples are not able to, not able to walk, not able to see, they cannot see easily, they cannot walk properly, they cannot see, they cannot hear properly. So there are so many problems with some people. So some people are not able to match the physical or mental abilities with the healthy person, and they are called special people. Sometimes you can see around us, some people have facing difficulties to see, they cannot see properly, to hear, they cannot hear properly, they hear loud voice, and some people facing difficulties to speak, they cannot speak properly, and some peoples are face difficulties to move or walk. They cannot walk properly, they cannot move properly. So such types of people are called special people. The people who face difficulties to see, to hear, to speak, move or walk, such peoples are called special people. They cannot walk or see or hear, so they are called special people, are differently abled people. As human grow old, the ability to use sense organs become weak. Therefore life becomes difficult for old people. So as human grow old, when human grow old, the abilities to use sense organs becomes weak. Some people, old people, when people grow old, they face a number of problems related to health, fitness and soundness of mind. So they are called old people. Next page, page number 11, 12. Let us understand this with a few examples. Amar and Divya, go finish your homework, children. So, the mother of Amar and Divya says that Amar and Divya, go finish your homework, children. And Divya says that yes, mummy. Amar, after some time, her mother, Amar, you are very disobedient. Why don't you listen to me? So Amar has hearing impairment. When his mother came to know his, she brought him a hearing aid. So Amar faced difficulties to hear. He cannot hear properly. That's why he is not complete homework. And his mother, when his mother know that, she brought a hearing aid for him. Next example, Meena, why have you not finished writing the questions from the blackboard? And she says, sorry ma'am, I cannot read the blackboard from here. Oh, better go and see the school doctor. So you can see here, she cannot properly the from board, whatever writing on the board, she cannot see properly. So she face Meena face the problem, face the difficulties to see. Meena has weak eyesight. When her teacher got to know this, she requested her parents to get her eye tested. Next example, Mr. Das, you have not prepared the office report. Sorry, sir, I was not well. I think you should retire now. We want people who have sufficient energy in, we want people who have sufficient energy in this office. So Mr. Das is grow old. That's why her all the sense organs are weak and they cannot work properly. That's why he is late, and his office of his manager is angry. Mr. Das was getting old. His sense organs did not function very well because of age. The manager did not understand this, but the boss was kind and asked the manager to be polite with Mr. Das. So, with the old people, how can we take care of old people? Send sometimes with old people and always be ready to help them, and never get rude with old people. So now I hope you all understood very well about the sense organs and special people, old people. So we will meet our next topic. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.